How to fix the payment declined App Store. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the payment declined App Store. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Then tap on In-App Purchases and make sure it's set to Allow. This should resolve any payment issues related to the App Store. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.